What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Having a masculine face is one thing that will instantly make you more attractive, especially for the other gender. And no worries, it is not only depending on your genetics whether you got a masculine face or not. There are actually several factors that play a huge role in order to have a masculine face. And in today's video I will show you all of them. So if you want to get or check if you have a masculine face, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's start directly with number 1, you need to have clear skin. Having a lot of pimples and impurities on your face will simply make you look less mature. And it also somehow symbolizes that you're not taking care of your skin. And that is not something that you want. So step number 1, in order to have a masculine face, you need to take care of your skin. Simply find the right skincare routine and skincare products that will handle and prevent pimples on your face. I will also link you some of my essential videos and essential products in the description of this video so you can directly check them out. Let's continue with number 2, having a chiseled and defined face. Having high cheekbones and a defined jawline are some characteristics that will instantly make you look more masculine. On the one side, your face structure depends on your genetics, but on the other side there are many things that you can do in order to get a more defined face. First of all, try to lower your body fat percentage, because oftentimes your face just looks less defined as your body fat percentage is too high. So by cutting down your weight, you will instantly see an impressive effect on the definition of your face. Besides that, you should also try some jawline exercises to strengthen the jaw muscles and therefore get a more defined jawline. It will take some time and patience to see some results, but it is definitely worth it. Number 3, grow facial hair. Facial hair will instantly add some more structure and definition to your face and therefore will make it look more masculine as well. But only grow facial hair if you really can, so if you only can grow a few hairs, you should better shave your beard completely off, because otherwise it will have the opposite effect. Also make sure to always trim your neck beard, because having a neck beard can actually take away the definition of your face. So make sure that the contours of your beard are always perfectly shaved. Number 4, choose a haircut with shorter sides. Having short sides will simply lead the focus more to your face and therefore make your cheekbones and jawline stand out more. So if you want to have a more defined and therefore masculine face, definitely take advantage of it and choose a haircut with shorter sides. Number 5, don't have eyebrows that are too thin. It is actually a crucial mistake that a lot of men are making. They are simply cutting their eyebrows way too thin and therefore make them look feminine. It is one of the biggest turn-offs for the other gender if the eyebrows are way too thin. So simply try to keep them more in a natural shape. Number 6, simply work out more. You will build muscles and your testosterone levels will rise, which can also affect your bone structure and bone density as well. So basically by working out on a consistent basis, it will make your face look more defined and therefore more masculine as well. Number 7, wear some glasses or sunglasses with sharp edges in order to make your face look more defined. Especially when you have a round face, this will have an incredible effect for you. And that's basically it for today's video. Those are my advices that you can use in order to get a more masculine face. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version ever. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.